Hello, my beautiful people. Happy New Year. Happy 2026. This is your full-time sister, and I hope everybody made it 2026 healthier than last year and with all good year's resolutions. Today, I would like to unpack my very first. This is a Christmas gift that I bought for myself, guys. It's the result of hard labor, you know. This is my very first Christian Louboutin pair of shoes, and I am so proud of myself, guys. Sometimes, you know, you work so hard, and it's also time like to think about yourself. Yeah, I know it's expensive, but if you can work some extra, just like I did, some extra hours, why not? And then you save as long as it's gonna take you until you get to the result. So yes, this is just, it didn't come with this box. This box is just like something I bought from Dollarama just to make it look like a Christmas gift. But this is my very first Louboutin, Christian Louboutin pair of shoes. I bought it myself. I went to the store in Montreal. I took advantage of me going to my niece's wedding, and also that's the time I went there. It was in the beginning of December 2025. So guys, let's talk a little bit about my experience to the store. I was a little bit disappointed because I thought the store would be just like a whole store just for Christian Louboutin, the same way that we see like Calvin Klein or Tommy Hilfiger, but it was actually into the mall. It was downtown Montreal. I don't really remember the name of the mall. Maybe I can find it in my receipt. And then you know, there were like so many little stores inside. I saw the Louis Vuitton store. My goal was just to go to the Christian Louboutin. So the Christian Louboutin section for the women was a little bit different from the men. I think the men was upstairs and maybe third floor, and the woman was second floor, or vice versa. I don't remember correctly, but I remember we had to go up to see like the shoes for the guy. So that's like was a little appointment for me. Just like I said, I am talking about my experience, and also I was expecting maybe a glass of orange juice or something like that, or maybe like a chocolate bar, or you know, a snack bar where the customers can come and grab something. But no, it was not the case. I don't know if it's happened in other stores. I'm not so sure, guys, but you know, I had very high expectation, and I was very disappointed. I was like, oh my god, it's so expensive, and they don't even have, you know, little things to just to attract the customers. So those are the two kinds of times down for me, but I don't know how it goes like other places. I also heard that there is one in Toronto. I think the entire Canada, they just have a store in Montreal and in Toronto, Ontario. But yeah, so guys, that was just me, and we are going to unpack this beauty. Okay guys, I was not looking for sockets or kits or high heel stuff, but I was not looking for high heels. I was just like looking for something very convenient for me. I went to find the perfect shoes that day, and I was lucky because that was the last pair apparently. So guys, as you can, even the package itself, if you had to buy it second hand, then the gift bag, it has a price. I think it may be maybe $50. The gift bag look like this. I don't know guys if you can see. Okay, and I have this receipt, you know, the receipt of, maybe I can find the name of them in Montreal, Rue Sainte Catherine, and the name, I think it says Holt Rin Fou. And then inside here, so I have like the regular receipt, also another receipt, and it was really fun because they also send me an email, and they also, because you need to take care of your red sole, they give me like a business card of the guy who can do it for you, like to protect your red sole and stuff. So this is also his that guy business card. It was inserted in my little booklet here. So this is the box. Yeah, it's a very nice box, and you have on the side here, what do we have? I think it's the name of the model of the shoe, I guess, and it's also my size, 38, or in the US size it's size 8, but this is the European size, it's 38. And we have Po Messina. I think Po Messina is the style, you know, the shoe style. Yeah, this is it here. And then you can see the box. There is like the signature here and another one here. So both sides. It's pretty neat, guys. It's pretty cool. So guys, and I'm gonna go on the other side and we can actually open the box and see the beauty. So guys, I forgot to show you inside the gift bag. They have the website of Christian Louboutin, you know, both sides, you can see here and there, and it's also red inside, you know. We have this because like the people are, it's easy just like to confuse yourself with the fake Louboutin and also the real one, the authentic one. So even like the packaging, the gift bag itself tells you more. Always look for the Louboutin signs here. Also you have like serial number. So yeah guys, this is my box. It's very nice, the red. I love the red, guys. I love the red. Even my coffee mug today, I mean I'm drinking tea, is the Louboutin style. It's black on the outside and red in the inside. Cheers. So yes guys, without any further ado, I am so excited, guys. We are going to unpack this and also try them on. Okay guys, I moved a little bit my camera so you guys can see when I'm going to open the box. Here, oh my god, I am so excited. Let's just do this, and it looks like this. It's really well done. I worked so hard for this, guys, so I am very excited. This is just some extra paper. There's nothing in it, and voila. Oh There she is, guys. There she is. Look at this. It's so beautiful. There she is. It's beautiful, guys. So just like I said, I was not looking for a very high heels. Let me put back the camera so we can see each other here. So yes, guys, there she is. And we have the other one. Oh my god, guys, I'm so pleased with my choice. It's just like a little, this is in centimeters. It may be 2 centimeters on 1.5, maybe 2.5 if we're starting from here. Yeah, or 3 centimeters. I don't know in inches, but yes. So guys, this is my very first Louboutin, Christian Louboutin pair of shoes, and I'm happy. So it's really something that you can wear everywhere. Like you can go for an appointment, you want to look chic, and you don't have to put heels, because like if you go, for example, let's say you're just going to meet somebody very quickly for coffee and then you put high heels, they will be like, what's going on, like is she okay? You know, it's not a soiree, but you want to go for a quick, even at the store, you want to look chic at the store or the dentist appointment. You know, guys, this is very convenient. It has very short heels, it's not that long. So yeah, guys, this is my pick. And you know, it's we were back home, we were calling this like the skin of a crocodile. I don't know in English the very right term for this, but yeah, guys, look, really look cute. And I am going to try them on. I am home, guys, I'm just on my regular clothes though, but I am just, for the purpose of this video, I am just going to show you, walk a little bit around. I cannot walk outside because there is snow everywhere and they are going to damage my shoes. Yeah, guys, the next time I'm just gonna buy like the sole protector, trying to protect my red sole here, because they are very neat, you know. And before I actually use them, I would like to protect the sole, the red sole. Yeah, guys, tell me what you think. I am going to go on my rag and then try them on. And oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys. I am so excited. Yeah, this is so cool. I'm already tall. I like heels, but this time I said no. I wanted something just, you know, that obviously I can wear everywhere. So guys, let's move on to the rag, and I'm gonna put those beauty on and you see how it fits. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.